Rishi Kapoor's last wish was to see his son. Veteran Bollywood actor Rishi Kapoor passed away on 30th of April at Mumbai's Sir H.N. Hospital. The actor was having a major breathing problem, which is why he was taken to hospital. At the hospital, Rishi Kapoor realized that he did not have much time in his hand. So he made a last wish to the staff of the hospital, which got fulfilled. Rishi Kapoor did not have a cordial relationship with his son Ranbir Kapoor earlier. But after he got diagnosed with cancer in the year 2018, Ranbir and Rishi Kapoor bond became stronger and they got very close to each other. Rishi Kapoor realized at the hospital that he did not have much time, so he asked the hospital staff to call his son. Yes, it is right. Rishi Kapoor wanted to see his son Ranbir Kapoor on his deathbed. When Ranbir got informed, without losing any time, Ranbir reached the hospital and met his father. Rishi Kapoor asked his son to sit beside him and Ranbir likewise sat on a chair beside the ailing actor in the intensive care unit. The father and son duo talked the whole night and Neetu Kapoor was also whole night. Rishi Kapoor asked his son to take care of the family in his absence. Even in so much pain, Rishi Kapoor put on a smile on his face and talked with his family members. Ranveer stayed there all night beside his father and was supporting his mother, Neetu Kapoor. There was a time when, while talking with Ranveer and Neetu Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor's all organs failed to work. Ranbir, with a heavy heart, then left the intensive care unit and started doing all the formalities of hospital. At 8:45 am, Rishi Kapoor breathed his last breath at the Sir H.N. Reliance Hospital. Few rituals were done by Ranbir Kapoor at the hospital. His mortal remains were taken to the Chandanwadi crematorium directly from the hospital. Though Ranbir Kapoor was wearing a mask, but his sadness was seen through his eyes as he was standing silently and was just watching his father. On the other hand, Neetu Kapoor was not able to control her tears for a moment and she was held by Reema Jain. Alia Bhatt was also crying badly there and she was all the time on a video call with Ridhima Kapoor. Ridhima was not able to reach Mumbai by time as she was travelling via road from New Delhi. Ranbir was relieved that at least he was able to fulfill his father's last wish to see him. He talked with him the whole night. Ranbir Kapoor said that he will remember that night forever. Rishi Kapoor is no more with us, but he has left behind some amazing performances that we will cherish forever. May his soul rest in peace. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.